school here are feeling we in now. I come here enjoy now. My wife inside here, my children here. Manja.
Yes.
You said the Friday the other day I told you say I went to look for job. For all the places I went, I gave you all the letters they told me to go there tomorrow. So I will soon be going, you understand?
Okay.
We come in enjoy, always enjoy. Because this school year, when I started it from ABC, everything that you were helping me. So we come here now, I wrote my letters or I will get the job just now. So I'm going here.
Okay.
When I come today, I will tell you good news. You understand?
All right.
Let me go.
Good luck.
This play here, that we all when they play here now. I will look for my own job too.
Yes, who's that?
Oh, I said,
How do you do?
you all right?
I'm all right.
Mm-hmm. The other day I wrote my letter of application here. You saw it?
So a whole lot of application. What may be your name?
My name is Manyo.
Manjo.
Manjo.
Yeah,
Manjo.
I got it here. Manjo.
Mm. You see me so in my school, when I was guiding, I was the do for the whole school. I'm not only talking about the senior class, I was the do. We did in physics, in chemistry, in mathematics, everything I was the do. The whole school, they both used to like me too much. You see? So, I mean, the way I can hear, you see how well I can work. You understand? So, when you help me, it will be good.
So what do you really want for me to do for you?
I want you to give me jobs. Hey, I wrote the letter for jobs.
Yeah,
The other time when you go send the radio announcement that you want application form, qualified Liberian, I said, well, that we the one who are qualified.
Yeah,
Then I wrote my letter.
Yes, now qualifying some area, but what can you do? That's the question we ask.
Oh, God, man, my one can do anything.
Anything?
Anything.
That's beautiful, man.
Anything.
You are an expert. Okay, now to the GSA here, we have so many work, to do. You see, I wonder if you can do some work in the motor pool there.
Motor pool?
Yes.
Oh, but man. That one, to say the fact, one day, I never even saw they play with my own eye. So, beside that one, if you give me any other job now, I can do it. Beside that motor pool area.
But do you drive?
Oh, driving. One day, it was nearly Christmas time. One man, he told his children, he had 5 children. He worked on him, said they were going to shop. I just saw the driver, they now the car now, he was driving so then now he just went and fall down. All of them, they die on the spot. When I look at it, I say, me, forever and ever, I will never get behind the wheel. For that one, let that money go. Besides the driving work and the motor pool, any other job you give to me now, I can do anything.
Well, now, the last chance I have for you is whether you can start. If you can start, it will be good for you because, I mean, the GSA, those are the work we have here.
To say tapping umpa, I have seen some people tapping. When even I was in power, so my father used to be doing tapping.
Look, let's get something straight up now. It's not time to joke.
Oh, no, I'm not
You
joking.
know, after you talk about rubber farm,
Oh, I thought that was that one you were talking
not a
about.
machine.
The machine? No, but maybe to say they go through that one, I can't able. Besides the 3 of them tapping, driving, and the motor pool you're talking about, any other one now you get to me, I can do it. I can do anything.
Well, Mr. Manjo, let me tell you this. These are the work we have here. And say you can do everything I try you in this area, you can't make it. I think it is better for you to try and look somewhere, and I wish you success. Thank you.
Then you suffer me. Anyway, let me go. Because they play here. All I know, the people calling for qualified Liberians. And that way they want qualified. The nation here for all. I'm going to a different office now. Let me go. I will just go there and make sure that I get the job. Because I wrote my letter the other time, the other people told me say they got their own job. So let me go there. Yeah, who's that? Oh, that means Manjo.
Oh, Manjo, how are you? Yeah,
I thank God.
that's very good. How's it?
Yeah.
Is there anything I can do for you?
You can do plenty things for me, my friend Moria with inside.
Yeah.
The other time I wrote my letter of application here. My friend there, I saw Fuye, I saw Beretutu, they told me that they got their own position now.
Yeah.
So myself, I come today, I say I want my job too. Because we the one who ready now, we the young people who ready to work with the new government. You see? That's what I come for.
That's very good. Let me tell you my file here.
Okay, look there. You will see my name, Google.
What is your name?
My name is Manjo.
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 Manjo. Oh, yes, very good. Your name is Manjo. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But, Manjo, you see, we are very much happy, especially you who have just come, for starting your job. Now, one question I want to ask you, what actually can you do?
But me say, I don't want to laugh. I can do anything. Anything you give me, I can do it.
Especially public works, you know. You want somebody who can do anything. Because anywhere you put that particular person, he will be able to solve that particular problem.
I like to work in the public.
Yes. For this reason, within public works, we have, public ministry, we have, like, tractor. Can you operate on a tractor?
But me, the only thing I'm talking about, we have to move the tractor business on it. Because that tractor on that one, I'm scared. Because they are too big, I never take training for it. So when we move that one from there, any other one you get to me now, I can do it.
We have an operation of Caterpillar. Can you work on it?
All of them together. That's also big machine there. We'll move that two together. Then any other one now, I can manage it.
What about road maintenance? Can you work on roads?
I have seen some people doing it. But for me now to take training or try a small job, I will not able. But any other one you get to me now, I'm sure I will do it.
Can you do survey, like doing survey?
Survey. I have heard some people talking, you mean when you take the soil, you want to cut the plane, you say, well, yeah.
That's not what I'm talking about. You know, sometimes if the minister wants to carry a road somewhere, you know, they will send you there, you will go and take that place.
So that I can stay on the road, the load, that
much and measure it.
That one, my eye can do it in me. When I know inside my heart and head. So that one, when you move that one from there, any other one you get to me now, I can do it.
Okay. Can you do this? But last one now, the last one I want to try it. Because you can do anything, but somebody I've been asking you are not saying anything.
Yeah, the one that I don't know, that the one you asking, but all the other one I can do anything.
Okay. Can you do bookkeeping?
That one we have. I can remember when I was in the elementary school, I used to come from school, I keep my book, Google. But that bookkeeping you're talking about, that one, I don't know that one. When we move that one from there, any other way now you get to me, I can do it, but me. Because we the one want to build the country.
Okay. You know, I'm very sorry to tell you that, okay, the last question, can you drive this car?
I can't do that one. We may not equal with you. When we move the driving one day now, any other way you get to me now, I can manage it.
Then I regret to tell you that I'm very sorry, but there's no potential here for you. Because all these things are ICs, you cannot do one. Or is there anything. And these are some other things, and you cannot do anything. So I'm very sorry, Mr. Anything.
Boss man.
I'm very sorry.
I'm going here because I'm not the only ministry I apply.
Okay, go and try elsewhere here.
Okay.
And I heard you get it, that's very good here. I pray that you get it.
Okay.
So see you.
At their job today, I have to make sure that I go in all the ministries, they play where I apply. Because any they say that new government, the government for the people, by the people, then we is another government, I'm going to AEC. That play one part, they say they get Google places there for people to whether I play or going.
Who's that?
Oh, that means.
Oh, come in.
Oh, money.
How do you do, sir?
I thank God. Only thing they must show him more with inside. When you now working, you like your one of your legs really down.
Hospital.
Oh,
what can I do for you?
But no, the other day you saw my letter or application.
Your name once again?
Manjo.
Oh, okay.
Manjo.
Let me check, huh?
No, the Google because I was the one. Besides the qualification I put on the paper there, I was the doing in my school. I used to play volleyball, I used to play basketball, all those kind of things in the school. I was very active.
Mr. Manjo? I've seen your letter. It's true that your application was forwarded in here. But fortunately for you, we have so many vacancies in this branch now, in this corporation. But I'm asking you to...
Some people can think that the job not there before the job there for the Liberia.
Yeah, because this, corporation needs young men like you are, 15 men, healthy men, so that we can keep on with the job.
Okay.
But tell me, where do you actually belong? What can you do so that I will not have to take too much time to send you anywhere? Just tell me where you belong, then I will send you. I will just tell my secretary in to give you a letter of appointment.
But my own business, that simple business. I can do anything. Anywhere you send me, I'm expert there.
Mango.
I can be laughing at the other people who can be looking at
that's why you judge the point.
Anywhere you send me.
Because this corporation needs people like you. If you, for instance, know, sometimes we might have an emergency call. A house might be burning. Why? Because of some slight connection. Let's say short circuit. Then if there is no other person who knows much about that in this particular or at that particular time, then we send Mr. Anything there.
So my own but no day I can't when you put me there, know how it works.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I have one question or three for you. That is, we have the meter reader, we have meter installing, people going around, then we have those hard wiring people, and those are even PRG long cables, those substations. So, yeah, that's it. And you know the work is very much risky. So we have to deal with you people too. So tell me, can you read meter? To tell the people how much they owe in the month, how much they use the current, because some people they lavish it. But I comment something.
Real meter. But I can see the play like that. Myself when they put that thing, they hang it on the wall. I can see the thing. They can be turning, it can be turning. But for the play now, where to read it, that the one I don't know. So when you take that one from there, I beg you, but I will be able to do any other thing.
All right. I will combine two into one now.
Yeah.
That is, maybe you might know something about hardware and connection. Can you do these two or one of them?
All the two.
Yeah.
Even one set, I don't know them. But one thing about me, besides the one who are telling you now, I don't know, because me, I don't let to lie to anybody. For me, that day I will be the boss. Why? But because my own are too good. I can do anything.
The last one is, maybe it might not be the last, maybe you know that one. And you know they're building one new different ministry.
Yeah, I know the place.
That project, we will have to take it to do the house wiring, to put everything inside. So obviously, if you can actually do the house wiring, the connection inside there, then I'll put you the overall boss to actually put all the wires inside to do everything inside there. Now, can you do that job?
Boss man, that one, boss man, I don't know that one. And I'm going to learn. Oh, yeah. Besides that one now, any other one you call now, that one I will be able to do it.
Mr. Manjo, I regret.
Yeah, don't regret yet. You see?
Sorry for the wait, give me a chance. I regret.
Try me one more. Get me one more now. That one I will be able.
Okay, I will give you one more.
Just try me, you see?
Okay. Mr. Manjo, can you actually do the connection inside to put the LED box inside to students, those fluorescent lights and all those other stuff?
But man, that one I will come in and but I was too scary. One day when I was passing Camp Johnson Road, we saw one man, that lepo you put there. The man put on wiring on his phone. I don't know whether that's you. Push you and then. He was just climbing, we were looking at him, the man climb. He go there some kind of wire. I don't know whether the wire was there with him or he made mistake. The wire gave to him. That man fall down. All we were trimming the one go low now, the man black girl of water. When I look at the player, I say, me? So that for that one, let the money go one side. That one making one day, I say I will never learn that one. But besides that one now, any other one but me, I can do it.
But I'm being to understand first that this job is a very risky job. But anyway, as I told you earlier, I regret. Very sorry to tell you that through your explanation, that is, you have already said you don't know any of what I've already given you a chance of. I'm sorry to say that I can't give you any job now. But I have an advice for you. Do you know this is a new government? There's a new government. And you know we are trying to teach everything. I will propose to you that you write in one of these newspapers to suggest to the government now to create a bureau of anything. I will support your letter. Your suggestion, I will support it. When they create that bureau of anything, I will strongly support to the head government, not the head of the government, that you be the minister of that bureau of anything or of that ministry of anything. It will be good. You will conduct all the affairs of the ministry of anything. So how about that?
I can employ the people, my deputy there. Then I think that good thing.
So,
Okay, then.
you see, yeah?
Okay, but
Anyway, don't take it a heart too much. Try, keep on trying.
all the places have been going, they say, they jaw them there. But what they say, what you can do, what you can do. What do people mean by what you can do now? I told them I can do anything. Then they talk, but I think that suggestion, that other man brought, that good suggestion. When they create the ministry or anything, they say I will be the boss there. It will be good. Anyway, I get one place to go now. That to Moria City Corporation. That one, I think I will get place there now because they government, and then they say the government for the people and by the people. Then our government day. Because I think that total young people who are supposed to control the thing. I went there now. Who's at the door? That me. You, that mango.
Oh, please come in.
Hello? Yeah, how are you?
Fine. Auntie.
Yeah. Oh, my son Moravia.
My son in Moravia, that's true. We all here.
Mm-hmm.
So, I can do anything for you?
Yeah, you can do anything for me. I can't, because the other day I wrote my letter or application.
Mm-hmm.
Because I want job. And they say we should come today. The other people came yesterday. All of them, they told me, say they got their employment. So myself, that's what I came for, so I can get my own employment.
But why did you come yesterday?
Oh, but there plenty things wrong with me.
Mm-hmm.
When you do that one for me, it will be good for me.
Well, what I got to tell you now is that we have jobs here.
Mm-hmm.
We are employing people. But now, as you know, in this revolutionary time in Liberia, we are employing devoted people.
Oh, me are devoted.
Okay. We are employing honest people.
I do honest.
We are employing people who can work hard.
Oh, I can work harder than the other people say.
We don't want it to be like when they send you for 2 hours, you go make only half an hour, then you sit down, you say, yeah, that's the other one that the government business. No. Because we pay the government for us, right?
Yeah, that our government, they will be waiting for you.
They can now. When you be waiting for your woman, when she comes, why you do? So anyway, that was just to brighten your mind, so that if you get employment here, so that you can do something, you hear?
Yeah, but
so for that one, what I will tell you, first I have to ask you, we have sections here.
Yeah.
You know, this is the city corporation.
Yeah.
So we have places where people work to do plenty things. Now, what you can do, really?
But me to say the family, I can do anything.
Oh, but the people like you, we need.
You see, I say the other people suffering in the street.
Yeah, you see, now the new government here, we try to employ also young people. You understand?
Yeah.
Not to say that we don't want the old people, but the young people must mingle too also with the old people.
Yeah.
So that they can learn before the old people die. So,
yeah.
So you say you can do anything.
Yeah.
All right. You know, when the city is dirty, we send the people to go clean.
Yeah.
When they clean, they put the bed one side. That the one they call garbage side. Now, when the truck, we get truck to go there. You can drive?
But man, no. I want to see the fire, I can't drive. One day I never drive. Because one thing that happened in my life, that one, I don't want to explain it to you.
No, don't explain that one. So, besides that, what you can do?
Besides that one, oh, but man, anything now, I can do it.
All right. Now, I will ask you. Also, we have, but of course, you can't do that because I don't think you took that training. That training is police, special cooperation police. You can do that one.
But man, I have seen some people in the uniform, they put charge on driver this and that. But man, I never try it, so I don't know that one.
Okay. Then, here now in the office, I need one clerk typist. You can do that?
But man, when that one move on there, the three be getting, let that one move on there.
But how you move it up from there? Why will you
then or the plenty remaining behind, move that one from there. I don't know that one. I beg you, but man. But you any other one you get to me now, I can
but
do
you
it.
buy a low like your own house.
My business, that the easier business in the
All right, let me tell you, the last one I will tell you is we need some people to clean up, to go clean the city. You can do that one. I know that one is no training for it. Can you do it?
To go clean?
Yeah, clean the street. You take the broom there, you sweep.
But man, you say you know I've been in high school. I go, the people that are cleaning now, you see that also old people. I'm going to go take the broom and clean. The people get laugh at me, I will get girlfriend in town here.
All right, let me tell you one thing. You see that one thing troubling you. You say you go to school. Now, the school you go to, you didn't learn no trade. When they ask you, you say, I can do anything. They ask you, you can do this one, you say, that one move from there. Everything move from there, nothing will remain. Young men like you, if you can be ashamed to go sweep the street. You think the mansion, if the mansion will not be shared by people, you think how it will look?
It will look dirty.
It will look dirty, and that's all.
Yeah.
That's the same thing. You prefer them stealing around than to go clean. If you got this one, that job there, right now the cleaner is there, they're getting 200. You will not be happy to get 200 per month. Look at your shoe, it's finished, all the heat gone now. You just want to be walking from office to office, asking they say come tomorrow, asking they say no job here for you. That one better for you, and so I think you now marry.
I'll get woman to the house, get 2 children.
Then take that one. You see, you think that no old people, and not because they didn't learn anything. If they are learn something, maybe they will not be cleaning, and there is no ugly trade, no ugly work. The money that they will pay you with, you think it will be writing on that cleaner money? All money, that money.
Okay, so boss man, the thing you talking, you touch my heart. But anyway, let me go and tell my wife. I will come by then, and then if I agree, then I will come tell you here. I go and tell my wife. They think the old method. I will tell my wife. Manya, I can't hear. But all the places I went to look for the job here, no way for me. I try no way. No way. The last place now, they want for me to do sweeping job.
Sweeping job?
But me ashamed. The same salary they will be paying the people that are sitting down behind the desk in the office, that the one I will get, because they government, that everybody government. The government for all of us. It will finish increasing everybody's salary. But you now, I think you want to take that job, you will not leave me.
Because what will leave you for?
I will be the first young boy and who finish high school
to sleep. I will leave you if you steal or you steal. You hear me? When they give you that money, you think they will put there, how they call sweeper?
The money will be good.
The place the minister they can go to buy their things like in the supermarket. You can take that same money there and buy your things.
Okay.
Go there so you can do that job. Yeah.
I'm going to read by that. No, I can't even waste time.
Yeah, we don't agree.
That manjo, I can't read by here. I don't want to waste time. I want the job.
You want the job?
I want the
you see, joining us to help clean the city. You understand? I think that other different people, you go in Paris, even in the United States, all the people that are moving from here, they go there. You don't know that they will go work in the hotel and be washing the dishes just to get money. They don't say, I don't want to wash dishes. I went in Paris. In Paris, I saw a lot of people, the cleaning colors, some of them, they sweeping the street just to get money to go to school. When they come back, you think they are ashamed? We should do the same here. But the young people, they just want to put their hand in their pocket, passing around, stealing, lying, are working here, are doing this. They don't want to do anything. This is why we got too much problems here. So I thank you very much. Tomorrow morning, Manjo, you come, you report here, and you start working here. Okay. So you must go.